Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So today I'm going to be ranking my eye looks. I'm assuming I did not come up with this. There's probably many other people that have done this, but I've had it on my list of videos that I wanted to make for a while, so today we're finally doing it. So basically I'm just going to be going on my Instagram and going to my eye looks highlight and just rating each look that I thought was good enough to be put on my highlights. I'm gonna scoot over so that they can be put right here on the screen. And without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, so this one is my first, 4th of July look, and honestly, for the time, I think it's pretty great. I'm gonna give it, a 7 out of 10. This is before I had lashes, fake lashes. Okay, this is, one of my first times using fake lashes. The cut crease isn't great. The snowflakes aren't great. I'm gonna give it a 4. The blending of the eyeshadow is beautiful, but everything else is kind of atrocious. So I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 10. Okay, sometimes I forget about this one. This one, honestly, I really impressed myself with this. I don't know. I think I'll give this one a 7 out of 10. It's pretty good. The blending's really good. The lashes actually look blended. We've got, waterline eyeliner moment. This is good. Oh boy. This is the first pair of lashes I got from Dollar General. They're Kiss lashes. They're fine, but they're really hard. I don't know. They're really plasticky. I'm gonna have to give it 3. I don't like this one. The blending's good, but I just don't like it. This one's cute. I think I might be wearing the same lashes as the last one. This was a St. Patrick's Day look, if you guys couldn't tell. I think this one's actually pretty decent. I'm gonna give it a 6 because, it could have been a cut crease moment, but it was really just blended out eyeshadow instead of a cut crease moment. Oh, whoops. Yeah. I love this purple and green moment, but, it's messy, it's splotchy. The under eye is awful. I'm gonna give this a 3. This one right off the bat is a 2. It's not a lot. It's nothing, This one's cute, but the messy mascara without lashes is not great for me. I'm gonna give it a 5. This is cute. This is with my Morphe Icy Fantasy. Oh, I love this eye look. I love that beautiful, green glittery shimmer. I'm giving this one an 8. I really like this eye look. This one was one I tried to recreate, as you guys can see there. I think I did a pretty good job on the recreation. The lashes are a little weird, but I don't know. It's probably a 6, 7, 6.5. Simple and pink is correct. It's not bad. It's very glowy, and I like the double liner kind of thing that's happening. I'm gonna give it a 6. I like this one. It's cute. Oh, this is when I tried to start doing graphic liner, but all I had were those NYX Epic ink in white. That's all I had. So I really tried to do graphic liner because this is when it was becoming popular. I don't know, it's cute. It makes my eyes look like a really pretty color. The flowers are a little crusty. I'll give it a 6. Love. This is a 9 for sure. It's a little messy, but I love how smoky and beautiful my eyes look. Purple really makes hazel eyes pop. It's one of the best colors. I just love it. I like this one a lot. 9. 3. 4. I like the colors better, but again, it's the graphic liner really getting me. 10. I just spat. This is a 10. I know I'm using the He Who Shall Not Be Named palette, but I've never been more proud of a look at this time in my life. I was so proud of this look, and it's still beautiful. I still love it, and I don't even think I could recreate it now if I tried. 10 across the board. Other than my lashes aren't blended into my fake lashes, but that's still a problem. I'm gonna give it an 8. It's very edited. It's highly edited. I feel like I remember editing this one hardcore. This is my first Beetlejuice look. It's cute. My first Beetlejuice look, I'm gonna give it a 4. It's not great. Again, with the graphic liner. Oh, 10. It's beautiful. And look at those bottom lashes. Those are beautiful. My bottom lashes, like, never look that great. That's stunning, honestly. And we got waterline color again. Like, beautiful. Then I tried to do that same thing, but with blue. And it's not bad. I don't know what I gave that last one, but I'm going to give this one an 8. A 9. I'm going to give this one a 9. I think I gave the last one a 10. Because it didn't turn out as well as I wanted to, but it's still really pretty. But purple is really my eyeshadow color. 4. I liked this. This is my, like, Too Faced chocolate something. I don't know. This is in a video of mine. And I actually, like, really thought it looked cute. But, like, close up, it doesn't look cute. But, like, from far away, this was actually a really cute eye look. But up close, it's like... this is when I finally got graphic liners. I got the Glisten Cosmetics liners, but this isn't it. I'm going to give this one a 3. This one's a 6. Solid 6. This one's really cute. I like this one. I don't know if Emma10 still works, so I'm just like, ignore that. I don't know. It's pretty simple. I'll give it a 6. I'm going to give this one a 7. I like the effort. I like the pink and purple. It's blended really nicely. I did pink and purple on the waterline too. Like, details. Details. Oh, I loved this one. This one's a 9 for sure. I thought this one was so fun. I think I had a lot of people ask me to do tutorials on this, and then I just never did it, and I'm so sorry. But I had intended on doing tutorials, and then it just didn't happen. A lot of people really like this one from, like, there we go. A lot of people really liked this eye look from what I can remember, like, my friends and family, like, when I posted it on Facebook. But, like, it's just not it. It's just, like, a berry look. I think I'm using the nudie. Oh, yeah, it's right there on the page. Oh, and it's, like, berry tones. I'm gonna give it a 7. And it's cute. But, like, this is when I was testing, like, TikTok makeup hacks. It's okay. I'll give it a 6. I love this mint one. It's really pretty. But, like, the lashes aren't really well blended, and I didn't put mascara on my bottom lashes, so I'm gonna give it a 6. Oh, I loved this one. Again, it doesn't really look that good up close, but the full face pictures of this eye look would definitely be, like, a 10 for sure. But without that, I'm going to have to give it, like, an 7. I'm going to give it a 7. I was really proud of this one, but I don't know. Right now, it looks like a 4. This one looks like a 5. This one is a 2 maximum. This is a Shrek reference. This is Blue Flower, Red Thorns. That's what this is. I wore this to work. I really tried to do something here. I really tried, and it's kind of cute, and maybe I could recreate this one and do something actually good with it. It's a really good effort, so I'm gonna give it a 6 because it's a really good effort, but I just feel like I can do so much better now. I don't know. This was kind of to match my pants that I had gotten, so I'm gonna give it, like, a 6. This is a 4. This is a 5. It's really cute, but, like, you know. I'm still not very good at drawing these little star things. I like what I was trying here, but, like, really, honestly, it's giving a 5. Oh, see, here I kind of tried to recreate that look, but, like, a little bit different, and it didn't live up. This is, like, a 5. This is me trying to do, like, nude fun looks. I'm not big into neutral shadows. So I'm gonna give this one a 2. The brows and the this liner is, like, it's good. Like, I had fun with this. It's nice. But the liner's so thick. Like, I didn't know how to draw, like, thin lines. And I will say I only had one liner brush at the time. But, like, look at my makeup today. You know, we've got similar vibes happening with, like, my makeup today. Okay? But I know how to do, like, thinner lines now so that it actually, like, makes sense. So for this one, I'm gonna have to give it a 4 just because it's so thick. It's like on my whole brow bone. Like, I mean, it's taking up the whole bone there. It's looks really weird. I tried to recreate that one flower look, but the opposite way. So this one is a 2. This one is with the Soph palette. This one's very cute, but it's a weird shape, I feel like. But I'll give this one a 6. That was when I drew a strawberry on my eye. It's not that cute. It's not a very good strawberry. I've done better since then. So I'm gonna call this one like a 3. A 2. It's boring as heck. Oh. This one's a 2 for sure. I don't like this one. Oh, I love this one. And this one got so many compliments when I went out that day. That one is like an 8. This one's cute. It's a little bright. It's a little much. But that liner, like, what liner am I wearing there? I gotta find out, because that is a smooth looking liner. Wow. Very black. Very beautiful. The eye look itself, though, like, I'll give it a 7. 4. 6. You can tell how dry my skin is here. The colors are really pretty, but I don't know, like, maybe a 5? -1. This one's so cute. 10. 10. 8. The bats aren't very good. This one, also an 8. I love this one. It's a little patchy, but, like, it's okay. The flowers is minimal effort. I'm gonna say, like, a 3, 4. 3? 3. This one I loved. I love this one. This one was so fun. I'll give it a 6. It's pretty cool. I wore that to the Halloween movie that we went and saw in theaters, so. This is my second Beetlejuice makeup. I don't really know what was happening here. I, like, really tried to do something with it. I'm gonna give it a 6. This one's cute. Oh my gosh. I'm probably gonna tell my mom this earlier, but I was just talking to her and Alex about doodling spiderwebs. I literally doodled a spiderweb on my face like I would doodle spiderwebs on paper. Anyway, this one's cute. I, like, put mint in a Halloween look. I'm gonna give it a 9. It's giving pumpkin. I'm gonna give it a 6. This one's cute. I like this one. I'm gonna try and do some rapid fire ones. We've got some good ones coming up. We're gonna go 6. I really liked this one. 8. 10. Love this one. 10, 11, 12, 15. This one's one of my favorite eye looks I've ever done. Another one of my favorite eye looks I've ever done because my eye just looks so, like, smoky and the whole concept of it's really pretty. So, 12. This one's okay. I'll give it, like, a 7. This one was really cute, too. But, like, I tried to do the fake lashes underneath. I tried to do the drawn-on ones. 5. Just kidding. It's a 7. Whoa. Cow print. That was my first attempt at cow print. 7. 10. Like, a 5. This one's cute, too. I'm gonna give it, like, an 8. 8. 10. I love this eye look. I know it's so simple, but, like, think about the last strawberry one and then this one. This one didn't turn out as well as I wanted it to. So I'm gonna call this one at a 5. Oh, 10. That was my birthday makeup. Loved it. This one also didn't turn out quite... No. This one also didn't turn out quite how I wanted it to. But overall, I think it's really, really cool. And it's one of the, like, fanciest eye looks I've ever done. I'm going to definitely give it a 9.5. This flower one... Oh, Lorelei. Okay. This flower one is okay. Didn't quite turn out how I wanted it, but 9. 10. I love this fisheye look. 8, but I love the creativity. This was to match my Bowie shirt. It's probably like a 6. 10. Love this one. It's so cute. Okay, I think there is more. Hang on. Okay, yeah. I have more that I haven't actually, like, posted on here yet. This one was to match my dress. I'm gonna say this one is, like, 5. 5. 3. And this one is a definite 8. Gosh, I am definitely missing some. This one's also missing. This one's probably like a 6. And then we have this one, which is my Barbie makeup. I really tried with this one. I'm gonna give myself a 9 for effort. I really tried. I messed it up, but like it's really cute. We have this one. It's like a 4. It didn't turn out very good. This one I'm gonna give an 8. I really like this one. It's very cute. Purple, again, is really my color. This one I haven't actually posted an eye look. Yeah, haven't actually posted an eye look. But the close-up of this is also really cute. But I'm only going to give it like a 6. Because this one deserves a 10. By far deserves a 10. I love those pretty pink flowers that I did. So cute. I also haven't posted this one. This one gets like a 4. Now we have to go into my other pictures because I haven't actually posted the eye looks yet. Hopefully they'll be posted by the time you guys see this. You guys are seeing unedited pictures, okay? This is my pumpkin eye look that I'm going to be posting the day I'm filming this. And that one is a 10. I think it turned out so, so good. This one is a little ghosty that I did based on that, like, TikTok filter. It's really cute. The shape isn't quite right. It's a little awkward looking. Since it didn't turn out quite how I wanted it to, I'm gonna say this one's like a 7. And then we have my makeup today, which is a little messy because I had to fix it a couple of times. But I think I'm gonna rate today's makeup a 9. It is very cute. The liner's a little wonky. That's because I tried to do it without liner, but that didn't work out and I had to change lashes and all that. So this one gets a 9. Okay, I think that is all for me today. I hope this was fun to watch. I feel like I may have been a little hard on myself on some of those older ones, but I just know, like, I feel like I've learned so much and I feel like my talent has definitely gotten a lot better over the years. I also really want to do this with like my hairstyles, like my hair colors and hairstyles I've had. And I also want to do it with nails. I think that'd be really fun to like rate my nails, rate my hairstyles. So if you guys want to see that, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would greatly appreciate that. Comment down below which one you would want to see first. Like, do you want me to rate my hair first? Do you want me to rate my nails first? I feel like you can really tell in there, like, where I started to kind of lose my passion for makeup. There's, like, it was, like, getting good, and then it, like, got worse, and then it got better. And I definitely started to lose my passion for makeup there for a long time. And now I've really got it back better than ever. I feel way more creative than I ever have before. So, yeah. Oh, yeah, and today is, like, my makeup is to match my cinnamon rolls shirt. So, that's, like, the whole thing behind my makeup today. So, yeah. I think this was fun. And it seems like, on average, my eye looks are like a 5 or a 6. In the moment, I probably think that they're almost all 10s, but when looking back at them and thinking about some of my favorite eye looks, they're definitely like 5s or 6s. Anyway, I post new videos every single week, usually on Wednesday or Thursday, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Oh, it's coming from back there. Oh. No wonder it worked when I, like, scooted back. Anyway. Also, I just realized I got eyeliner on this lash right here, and now it's all, like, weird looking.